Hi. Ah. Uh, until dawn. Yeah. Okay, anyways. Kane and Destiny. I should really pick up a game right now, but I'm too lazy to not. Chicken is. Actually, whatever happened to Chicken Life? That's the game I want to play. Like. Oh my god. Like Chicken Life. Oh my gosh, I swear if it's another invite. So weird that I can pop my ears. Yeah, actually, that was from the Mongolian. This game was actually from Sonoran Studios. I actually know them, to be honest. And I play most of their games, like Griffin Destiny and Dragon Age. I don't know. This was okay. So this game, Forsaken, was I think a related game to Until Dawn. I think no. Okay, that was made by the same creator. That's why. Cause yeah, and this game, I know this one. I don't know what this one is, but we're not gonna play that. Duh. Of course we're not gonna play that. Of course we're not going to play it. Instead, we're gonna play Chicken Life. Because Chicken Life was nostalgia. If you ever know what Chicken Life is, you will understand me. Anyways, how do you spell chicken again? How do you spell chicken? Chick. Yes, Chicken Life. Let's open that candy. Chicken Life. Man, I remember one tree that I would climb up and just like make my base up there until they like updated that after when I think they found out what happened and everything. I remember the first time I played Chicken Life when you like when you want to save like all of your eggs and stuff. Like one time I had like 100 and something eggs and I'm like, "Oh my gosh." Yes. And there was this one time like I remember a little hack I would find out. Like if you like had so many eggs and you didn't want them to hatch, you would like go to the map, jump off, and then like eggs will be there and stuff. They wouldn't go on the most popular kids of Chicken Life. Until one time I did that. I probably had like 100 and something eggs, something around that, or 38, or something like that. And these guys, there was two. These guys somehow just managed to actually get through the fence that I built. And as you know, you can't go through people's fence until that kind of, let's just say, backfired. Yeah, backfired. And for me, I lost all my eggs that day. And I was so sad I wanted to cry. Well, actually, not. I was furious. I literally tried to report them, saying they broke all my eggs and blah blah blah. But I realized how stupid I was. Yep, just go for the angel egg. And then I realized how stupid I was for reporting them. I think it's because they were jealous of how many eggs I got, and they're like, "Oh my gosh, they're not hatching, and this girl is laying too many eggs. We have to stop her." Unless if those were admin, then yeah. Should I go with this one? Actually, I like the alpha more better, but who cares? Surprised I still have all my progress. Hey, I remember that turkey and elf. I forgot about July 16th. Man. 0 people? Wow. Like 0 human. I'm only human. After all, I'm only human. Oh, sorry, that's reminded me of Davis Studios. Stick. Can we pick up the stick? Remember, you could just tap it, but now you can't. Which sucks. Actually, no. Actually, I remember this very well. Before all of this came around, I remember you would just step on the stick and it'll immediately go to your inventory. See? Do it again. See? Now, hey, doesn't work the same. Instead, you gotta tap it. Oh, you suck. Okay, I deleted one of them, but who cares? Let's see what my base looks like. This foundation of a place. That's too far. Perfect. Ta-da! Here's my little base where all my baby chicks will get trapped. Totally get trapped. See what I mean? They're already trapped right now. After all, I need to actually add a nest right there. That way there'll be like more free space. Can a chicken go through here? Yes, they can. I'm so glad I actually left that right there. I should probably do a nest. When did I ever say I wanted to see new stuff? Can I please just have a nest? Be careful, wolves are the loose. You think I care about wolves? Man. You know, before these updates came, I remember I was playing with my friend once. Had too many eggs. People would kill me. It probably had too many eggs. Probably like raged them, and they're like, "Oh my gosh, you have too many eggs. You know what? I'm gonna leave. You can build your own stuff." And I'm like, "Man, that's just brutal." Harvest basket. You know what? I have first seen the harvest basket into now. I can't even find a nest. Finally! Jesus Christ, I don't understand this game. I mean, you have so many builds and you decide to literally do all of this stuff. Yes, I'm gonna leave that big old gap right there because I really care. And this was for people who wanted to, like, for people who were poor and didn't know how to build. So I would do this where you would just literally just go in here and lay your precious little eggs. That gap for a reason, and yet again, no one trusts me. I should add a torch. It finally feels good to get up, do stuff my own way. Why did I do this? One reason. I have no idea. Woo! Anyways, why did I put those right there? I have no idea. I'm gonna go mining in a second. I need coal. I need coal. I need coal, to be honest. Do I have coal? No, but I have one stick. How do I have 26 out of 18? That's just weird, man. I'm gonna go find some sticks in the other biome, because I don't know. I swear, if I do not see the other thing right there, like the bridge, oh my gosh. And if they took it away, oh my gosh, I'm going to scream. I think they took it away. No. Yes! Let's go. It's still there. Still there, chat. Still there. Wow. Just absolute wow. Okay, wow. That is depressing. I feel so bad for them. It's only one little thingy. Actually, I do not have any Robux, and yet again, I still have like something. Oh my gosh. Oh, I remember the nostalgia, but that had to end real quick once these updates came, cause you already know I don't play around. Oh my gosh, bark bark and the rocks. I think that's what it said. Oh man. I remember there was a tree somewhere. I think it was that tree. I don't remember, but there was a tree somewhere. That would be so good for me to like put my eggs up there. Sometimes it would fall. Hey, you see this person right here? You see it? You see them, right? You see them, right? Leave. Go. Get out of here, bro. You don't belong here. That's what I thought. Oh, you want to be fighting now. Okay, so it's just war to death. I know how to kill people inside this game. You can kill people inside the game. Watch me teleport. Watch me teleport. Watch me teleport. Boom. Gone. House base. Boom. Shelter. I'm such a master at this game. I am so pro. Oh my gosh, I cannot move. But I'm so pro. Look at me, I escaped from that prison before I even died. Oh, all the memories where you just used to kill people inside this game. You would be like, bark, 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 but instead we would just press random on the screen and just do that. Man, I almost killed that person though. I almost killed that person. But yeah, you gotta be a simplified chicken, or else we gonna, or if you're a human, we gonna you all the people that are chickens. Remember what they have to do. If there's even one single person, just one single little person, you know what we will do? We will call everyone. We will call everyone. We will literally, just literally, and when I mean literally, I mean we will literally just all gain up on you. We'll be like, so this is the culprit right here, huh? Okay, I see it. Like, if you're a human, okay, yeah, okay. But if you're trying to kidnap us, now this is a whole different story, okay? All I need is a craft tool. Tip: you can get more points for playing poker and hatching more eggs. Yeah, and yet again, I don't really care. I'm probably not allowed. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is the end of it. Yes. Anyways, yay. Okay, bye.